There are wild boar in this forest, and I've never encountered them on my own. I've kind of sensed them before, but I was, I don't know, about 300 or 400 metres away, further down the path, and then suddenly it was ruff, ruff, ruff. And these two boars skidded up the hill and sat there staring at me. I thought, oops, don't look into their eyes. So I turned around and kept walking, and I picked up a big stick at the same time. So I know they're up there. I'm coming down. There's another path they could have gone down, so there's a possibility we might meet at the bottom again. So maybe they're listening to me talk, heading off in a different direction. Hopefully they're as scared of me as I am of them. I think they must have been, I kind of felt they were kind of yearling males or something like that, young males, a pair of them out together. I'm looking up, I can see where they would have been there. I can't see them. Something about being stalked by wild animals. I don't think I am, but I just realised how it is. Talking to a robin, I could hear across like 20 metres away, chip, 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 which is a robin's kind of warning noise that there's something around. Of course, it's probably me that's around that she's warning. But it's kind of put me on my senses. Strangely enough, I've also just bumped into two humans out on a walk, which is quite a rare occurrence as well. You can hear the birds. There's a raven croaking somewhere. There's a ravenry up here. I think they might start cawing away. Bong! Bong! Blessed aeroplane.